Stop doing these 5 things. Your digestive system will thank you. Your gut is your second brain. In TCM, digestion is the foundation of health. If you've been feeling bloated, tired, or just off, it's time to look at some everyday habits that could be ruining your digestion. Here are the top 5 mistakes and how to fix them. Eating too fast. Life is busy, I get it, but gulping down food is like asking your stomach to sprint before stretching. In TCM, we say you must harmonize your spleen and stomach. Chew slowly, take your time, and let your digestion work smoothly. Drinking iced drinks with meals. Yes, iced drinks feel refreshing, but they're terrible for digestion. Cold constricts your stomach, slowing down qi movement. Switch to warm water or tea to help your stomach work efficiently. Overeating or skipping meals. Both extremes harm your stomach and spleen. Overeating creates dampness in your body, while skipping meals weakens your qi. Aim for balanced, regular meals to keep everything running smoothly. Eating processed foods. Processed foods clog your system with what TCM calls damp heat. Opt for fresh, seasonal ingredients that nourish your body and promote good digestion. Stress eating. Emotions directly affect digestion in TCM. If you're stressed, your liver overpowers your spleen, leading to bloating or discomfort. Practice mindfulness or take a few deep breaths before you eat. Your gut deserves some TLC. Start making these changes today, and you'll feel the difference almost immediately. Remember, health starts from the inside out.